Привет! Welcome back to Help My Russian, and today we want to do a reading practice for real beginners. I like to do this practice together with my students who have just finished learning the alphabet. They can read, they know the spelling rules, but they do not have a lot of vocabulary to read yet. So my best suggestion here is that we want to read the signs. Now, I remember myself when growing up as a child, as soon as I learned how to read in Russian, I went outside and started reading all the signs. That's what we're going to do now. Follow me. Okay, let's start. Here it is. Hot dog. I bet you're able to recognize that. Chai, coffee. Now, if you don't know what chai is tea. Okay, next one. Business lunch. Business lunch. Notice how I do not soften this consonant here. Even though ye comes after the consonant, usually ye softens the previous consonant, but in words that originated from the English language, often, not always, not 100%, but very often, ye does not soften the previous consonant. So we'll pronounce it hard. Business lunch. And it's only 130 rubles. Coffee house. Double cappuccino. Double cappuccino. You can buy coffee, even double cappuccino. Oh, here it is again. Coffee house. It's a very popular coffee place in Russia. Next one. Pizza bar. Pizza bar. And we can even read the small signs here below. Let's see. Pizza. Piva. Piva is beer. Now you will like this one. Steaky. Steaky. And grill. Grill. Stroganov steak house. Stroganov steak house. Now notice how house is spelled here. It's spelled with last letter S. Whereas here, for example, we had Z letter. And you know why it is so? It's because those consonants that have the voiceless counterpart, at the end, they lose their voice and become voiceless. So I can even spell Z here, and it will sound like S, house. So in this steakhouse, people decided to spell it with S. That's their right. Okay? Okay, next one. Pektopa. No. Just joking. It's no more Pektopa for you. Now it's restaurant. You can do this now. Restaurant Shila. If you remember from your phonetic course how to pronounce double consonants. A bit prolonged. Shila. Very good. You will like this one, especially those of you who are from the West. Wendy's. Wendy's. Yoo-hoo. Next one. Okay, this is in English. Here we can read in Russian. Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts. Good place. It must be somewhere in Moscow or in St. Petersburg, but not in my city. Okay, now this one here, you must be familiar with. Let's read. Starbucks coffee. Starbucks coffee. Woohoo! Starbucks coffee. I like Starbucks coffee. Next one. Sbarra. Sbarra. And notice how I voice my consonant, because now it denotes, before the voiced consonant b, my voiceless s now denotes the sound of its voiced counterpart z, sbarra. And you should already know this from your phonetic course. Let's continue. Burger King. Burger King. Now this is in my city. Subway, this is English, but we can read in Russian here. Сэндвичи. Сэндвичи. Салаты. Salati. This is my food, okay? You will never stay hungry once you learn how to read it in Russian signs. You can even get your hamburger here. Read. Гамбургер. Гамбургер. Okay? This you can say not even not even trying to read in Russian. I know you can do this, but we do want to pronounce it in a Russian way. Let's read. McDonald's. McDonald's. Even though it's written LDS at the end, McDonald's. I pronounce it a bit softer here, McDonald's. I wonder why they did not put a soft sign there. Perhaps they thought it was already too long to say, so I don't know. Now, this might be very handy to memorize and read. This will be useful. Toilet. Toilet. What a beautiful toilet. Okay. Next one. Okay. Okay. Табак. Табак. Very well. Stop. Stop. Oliver Pub. Oliver Pub. This must be from Great Britain or something. Okay. Диски. Диски. Discs. Okay, what is this one? Let me enlarge it a bit. Optica. Optica. That's a place where you can buy glasses. Okay, next one. Мир фото. Мир фото. Мир means the world. The world of photo. Okay. Салон, магазин. Салон, магазин. Кино и музыка. Кино и музыка. Кино means movies or films. Movies and music. This one I like. Coolmart. Coolmart. Metro Market. Metro Market. Xerox. Xerox. Good. And that's it. That's all I have. Thank you for reading with me. Make sure to read them again and come back for more practice. See you. Bye-bye.